Hi everybody, today I am going to show you the framing of a new constructed home. So this framing is already done from all the exterior and the Tyvek has been complete. Now I'm going inside to show you a few tips that would help you saving some money, especially with the price of the lumber is going high. Let's get inside. All right, I'm here inside the garage and I will show you how we put the garage here together when it comes to the framing. Typically, most of the garage used to get like the joist from the right to the left at the entrance, but here this is kind of like 22 foot, and that 22 foot is so expensive nowadays. To get one piece is like above $100, but we try to do a little bit saving of money by getting a beam. That beam is about $450 or $500, which is still expensive, but saved on the long term, because right now we are using the 14-foot joist, which is kind of like cheaper in price. And now we have a very firm support of the ceiling, which is no sagging, nothing, because this beam is so strong that can carry the load. And now with the span is shorter, so there is no sagging. So this is one of the tips that we used, makes the house more strong, cheaper, and look even nice, and would help the sheetrock guys when they start putting the sheetrock together. So it would make it straight, leveled, no issues. Getting here as well, this is the entrance going to the house, and you can see we isolated the house here by OSB, so at least when it is hot here in the garage, the heat doesn't get inside. So let's get inside, and you can pause the video and to see how things are supported when it comes to the studs and how it's carrying. So I'm gonna take like a little quick view of the studs, and starting from the base plates here at the bottom and then going up. I'll show you in different locations how it is. This is the opening for the attic, and that's where we're gonna have the access opening to up to above. And this is here, I am in the laundry area. Maybe there is not much talking here, but you can at least see how things get together. That is here at the entrance, which called the mudroom. And here's outside the garage, and you see it like it's raining hard. So let's get inside. This is what they call, we have here very nice setting with like called like a bar, breakfast area. So I'll show it to you from the outside, from the living. So here I am in the living space. That would be the bar area, where we're having like countertop here with sink, and then in the back here at the bottom will be cabinet, and then the top would be the wine rack. So here is the kitchen, middle island. So put the framing for the middle island. So slowly by slowly you will see how the living space is, and then I'll focus on how we support the ceiling. Fireplace. The same technique that we used for the garage is what we use here for supporting the ceiling of the living space. That living space, this here is about 22.5 foot, which is so long to put the joist right there, and we will have plenty. So we did two beams, two heavy beams here. This is one and this is the second one. This is kind of like a 12-foot high ceiling, but the kitchen area is only 10. We still can raise it up, but we decided to do a little bit lower, so that beam can still be higher, but it would look better to separate the kitchen from the living. But if you look at the beams that we use in here, so the beam is going from right to left, but then now we have to get the joist on the perpendicular, so that saves a lot of money, because imagine this here, you're gonna have from there, if all the joists are this way, then those joists would sag. So probably you need to get like a joist like 23, 24 long, and would be like 8-inch deep or 12. But now we are using the smaller ones on the other directions. So all what it is just like 2 by 14. A way cheaper, but also like what I said, that ceiling would be very flat, and you put the sheetrock, it would be straight, level, no issues. So I'll let you look at it furthermore to see how it's supported. Since we got in through the garage, now we have the garage door, and this is kind of like a dining room slash office, and it's got an open to the bar area right there. But at least you see how it is. But as you can see, the access to the attic is from there, from the walkway in here. But we do have a walkway here on the attic, because here, that's where we have the furnace and the AC. So it's really a nice walkway, and then you can use support like storage here and there, so you're gonna have like a good use of the attic for storage. This is the powder room, and here is the entrance to the bedrooms area. So we've got a few closets here, so let's go to the master bedroom. We have here in the master bedroom exactly the same thing, same kind of beam, and then you have, it's right there. So because this here is like 17 feet, so you got to get like 18 foot long. So now we got the smaller ones here, so that also saves a lot of money. But also you gotta see how the beam is supported here by 3 and sometimes 4 studs. So you see right there here as well. So you see how it is. Also here, when it comes to the windows, pretty cool and strong way to support the house. And we were able to do 10-foot high for the whole house and 12-foot high for the living space. This would be here, the master bath, master closet. This is just like they're gonna be here, some kind of shelving next to the double sink vanity. Freestand bathtub, and here is the walk-in shower. Feel free to stop, pause, and look how things are mounted together, so that will give you a good idea how things are got together till the framing. And good news is now we're going to start the insulation. So after the insulation, it will be a little bit difficult to see the skeleton of the house. This is last bedroom. And you can see here also the OSB, that's from outside and then sealed by the Tyvek. Here, since the span here is no more than 14, so like one piece would be more than enough. So we didn't have to put beams here for the shorter span. That was pretty much it. Please feel free to stop, pause, and I would like to hear from you, your comments. And if you like the video, please share it. And I see you in another video with other trades. We're gonna do the installation. We will have also the plumbing already posted. You can see the link below. And as we go, we're gonna go with all others like the tiles, sheetrock, and paint. I see you later, and take care. Bye.